Okay, I just took my 12.5 milligram of Manjaro on a very full stomach, and I'm all regret. This is awful. I'm burping like it's an Olympic sport, and I'm going for gold. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I should just take it in the morning.